Hey guys, I'm just going to be doing a quick walkthrough on the System Sensor 2151 here. Now I do use these in my system a lot, and they do work pretty well. I mean, they're just a smoke detector. Now, one thing that I did notice is that they kind of look like a addressable smoke detector, like, you know, like the Firelight or the Notifier, those ones. But no, it's a conventional smoke detector. And if you can find a good deal on them, I would definitely get them. So this right here is the System Sensor Photoelectric 2151. That's the head right there. And then the base right here is a System Sensor B116LP or B116LP. So what that means is there's actually a relay. Hang on one second. In here. So there's a relay right there, and I could wire it out using those terminals right there, so that if this activates, it also activates a relay. So like, I don't know, if I wanted an alarm, like if this was going to be used in, let's say, like an office building or more of like a apartment building, what I can do is I can set the stop. But the alarms in that apartment only go off if the smoke detectors go off in that apartment. Now that'd be helpful if, you know, they burn food or something like that. But yeah, that's more of like another kind of system. So yeah, so it has a relay in it, and then it has the terminal blocks for the relay, and then the way it's activated is actually the same way. So the way that you wire it up is there's a whole bunch of, it's hard to see, so there's a whole bunch of wire terminals here. So where is it? They're numbered. You kind of see the numbers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The way you wire it up for like normal operation is just 2 and 5. So what 5 does is it has that extra wire lead. It trips the relay, and 2 just goes straight to the detector. Now, if you wanted to make it supervised, so like if somebody took off the head, so somebody came over here and just took it off, you'd want the trouble to go off, right? But when it's on, you don't want the trouble to go off. So you'll wire it, you'll put the resistor, so you'll wire that up there, and you'll put the resistor between these two, this one right there, and this one. Now the reason why this works is on the back of the detector is this little kind of, I want to say like button, so that when you click it, you put it on, it moves it over. So that way this one and this one are jumped. See, there's this wire here, this piece of metal. Let's jump in those two. Now if you wanted, when somebody comes and takes it off, it hits this button, and see how that flips back? And now those two aren't jumped. Those two. Or those two. So that's how you supervise that, is by 5 and I think there's a number on there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. No, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by 3 and 5. So it's a little bit weathered, but it works. So it's really nice. I like these detectors, and they look good. And you know, The only problem is that they're a little tough to get off the base sometimes. But other than that, I still think they're good detectors. And they work pretty well too. So, that's a review on the System Sensor 2151. I think it is a great device. Like I said, it works really well. It's very sensitive. So, that's it. See you guys on the next one.